It's a film which will end the long drought in his career, even if it is not being touted as his comeback vehicle. For producer Sultan Ahmed, however, it marks the end of a seemingly interminable delay. Ahmed's mega project Mahaanta, which waited long for Sanjay Dutt's release from prison, is finally complete and ready to hit the screen by April this year.
Considering that it has been in the making for a long time, I think the director, Mr. Afzal Khan, has done a very good job of the film. When you watch the film, kahin bhi aisa nahi lagega ki it's, it's been in the making for a long time.